Hello, everyone. My name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Friday, October 6th? For the record, today is Thursday, October 5th. Time is around 6:30 p.m. GMT. So yesterday, I told you I was waiting here for another swing down. So maybe I go for the 50-minute chart. So I was looking for another swing down. I believe my interpretation was as an A, B, C. But then today we saw this upside actually, so which makes me think that the low could indeed be in here, and that we are actually having a WXY structure, and that we moved in in three waves, like as in A, B, C, and then from here, from this wave X, another A, B, C, because this cannot be a wave 4 anymore of this structure. Like this should then be the wave 2 high, and this is our wave 4 going way too high for a wave 4. So there might be a chance that the low is in here. What we also see here is the beginning of an upward cycle in the 15-minute. Also, if we look at the 1 hour, we see this upward cycle breaking a downward cycle. So this is also a bullish sign. And let me check. Do we see something on the 4 hour? The 4 hour is still bearish, but yeah, we are also approaching here an RSI trend line of a downward cycle, and I believe that's also the case in the daily, as I checked earlier. Indeed, so here we are also heading towards this RSI trend line. So this makes me think that we can be done here with this move down, this wave X here. We are in the area of the wave X. We are also in the area of the WXY correction. So if we take the length of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here we should end in this area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So we react from here. We are getting back out of the area. But yeah, still, I would say the price action is not enough, is not convincing enough yet. Like there is still a lot of overlap here in this structure, which means it does not looks really impulsive for the moment. However, what isn't, it can still become impulsive. That's still possible, but for the moment, it's not an impulse. There's too much overlap. So as long as this is the case, um, we cannot exclude here the scenario in red, and that would mean that okay, we have our wave W here or wave X here, but it could mean that this wave Y is not completed yet, and that we had here some wave A. It's not the best fit for a wave A, but it is possible. Then I would count like 1, 2, 3, like this, with wave 3 of 3, the deepest RSI reading, 4, and then an extended wave 5. Could work like this. Then we have our wave A, corrective wave B up, and then another wave C down to finish this structure. So as long as we still see too much overlap here in the price action, I would still take into account that a wave B can take place right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you this weekend for an analysis of the higher time frame. Have a nice day. Bye bye.